What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Big Smurf from the Wolf Stop, and I'm back with another video, guys. Hey, man, I know y'all like where the truck at, man. Where the truck at, guys? Y'all already know, man. I got a couple of more days actually before I get the truck back. Uh, it's a couple of things I do want to talk about. A couple of things that I don't want to speak on, man. I just wait till I get it back, and I'd rather just speak on it then. But first of all, guys, man, yeah. Man, the truck, we're just getting around to actually cutting a hole in the top, guys. Uh, man, y'all stay tuned. Tomorrow I will be dropping a video, man. I will get up out of here, guys. Go down there and actually record a little footage for you guys and check on the truck, things of that nature. But man, I'm just waiting as y'all, man. I'm just waiting just like y'all, man. My anticipation, hey, it's built up, man, just like y'all's. So man, y'all please stay tuned for that, man. In the meantime, in between time, guys, if y'all new to this channel, man, just watching the videos, guys, I appreciate it if y'all drop down, leave your boy a like, most definitely kind, man, and subscribe to the channel, man. Continue to rocking out. But yeah, like I said, man, I will have a video for you guys tomorrow, man, so y'all can actually see what I'm saying. I like to take y'all on the whole little journey with me, guys. Uh, and that's what it is, man. But until then, guys, I'm gonna keep y'all posted, man. I have to keep y'all posted, guys. Let y'all know about the process, man, because I do have some people that are actually want to know the whole process, guys. And I know I got some people that just you know y'all just here to check the hood and every little thing else, man. But other than that, hey, I appreciate all you guys, man. For the ones that just skim through the videos to the ones that actually watch my videos, guys, man. I appreciate every last one of y'all. But right now, y'all wait. Y'all know a couple of months ago, man, drunk driver had ran into my Lexus, man. Told her that, so I'm out the game right now. Currently your boy got one vehicle, man, but I'm making it do what it do. We ain't complaining, guys. You know what I'm saying? uh yeah, we making moves, not excuses. So that's what it is, man. Other than that, man, yeah, I'll check in with y'all maybe tomorrow, guys. I'll go down there and actually be able to check the truck out, man. Like I told y'all, uh we talked, we spoke, and guys, I don't know about the stars. I may have to do them myself. I told y'all on the last video, I don't know about the stars in the roof. um I may have to delete that, guys. I'm not really worried. But yeah, man, I got so much coming for y'all, man. It's just dry right now, man. My content a little dry right now because guess what, man? I don't have my content creator. It's not here. But hey, man, we're gonna keep it going, guys. Y'all already know we're gonna keep it going, keep it growing, and yeah. You feel me? If you're new to this channel, man, y'all already know what to do, man. Like I say, y'all can check me out on IG. I don't do too much Facebook, but I'm on the Facebook too. That's the Woodstop as well, guys. But y'all can follow me on those little platforms, man. I'll be doing little like behind the scenes, dropping little small clips of what I'm gonna put on this YouTube, man. And that's what it is, man. So y'all make sure y'all follow me down right here and right there. And like I said, man, we just gonna keep them coming, man. But other than that, guys, man, I really don't have too much, to tell y'all, man. But only thing I can tell y'all, man, hey, stay safe. You feel me? And the next video, guys, my next video, I got something for y'all, man. Just as well, bro. Man, my anticipation, bro. Some days I be laying in this house, you heard me, and I be restless. Boy, be thinking about that truck all all night, yo. I ain't gonna even lie, bro. That's another thing. But yeah, man. Y'all make sure, bro, y'all leave your boy a like, man. We gonna get up out of here, bro. We ain't gonna try to run up 8-9 minutes. Even though that was my main intention, man, to try to run up, the security bag, guys. Run up my little 9 minutes and be gone. But yep, like I said, man, I'm gonna get up out of here tomorrow. Y'all keep dropping them comments in the comment. Guys, I'm gone, man. I ain't gonna even much hold y'all, you feel me? Your boy Big Smurf up out of here, man. I just made this video to check in with y'all, let y'all know the process of the truck. Tomorrow I'll show y'all more than what I can tell y'all. You know, I'll actually show y'all tomorrow, guys. So, man, hey, y'all know positive lives, spread positive vibes, guys. It's your boy Big Smurf, man. Logging on, signing out. Until the next video, guys. Man, everybody out there, y'all stay safe, you heard me? Gone.